Welcome. Today in front of me Oppo A54s, and I'll show you that the device comes with the protective case inside the box. So let's check that. First I should open the box here, and here we can see a lot of accessorises, but I think that's the power, so the case is here. Yeah, as can you see, our device comes with the silicone protective case, just with the clear one. So as can you see, yes, our device comes with with the case, with the protective case, so you can use it just the first time. And thank you for watching. That's it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.